Hello guys. Yesterday I got the solution for detect network hardware and also the detecting disk error because I was desperately looking for the solution. I wanted to install the Kali alongside with Windows, but I'm not able to do it. So it's because of there is a problem with Ryzen drivers, and most I know most of you are also getting those who are watching the video, you also getting the error. So what is the solution for that? This so let's get started. So you can use Rufus to make a bootable pen drive. Also you can use a pen drive. But in Rufus there is a thing that we have to select DD image for to make a bootable pen drive because in ISO image so it will not detect your installation media. So for that you need to use DT image, that is disk drive image, and in Ventoy there is a simple software that you have to use the software. Then you just have to copy the ISO into the pen drive. So I have made the bootable pen drive by using Ventoy. It's your choice what you want to use. So let's get started. So to plug it, here I will just copy the image. So let's just start it. Let's power off the just press it. There is a escape key for bootable drives. Shit, I forgot to press. In Asus laptop, the key for boot menu is escape, so you can use that. And here we so my pen drive is SanDisk. Maybe you are not able to see it. So let's continue. So I made a by Ventoy, so it's showing the Ventoy UI. So in Rufus the process is same. So you just have to select normal mode, and here we have the solution. So instead of going to use graphical install, select advanced options, then select expert install. Here we have why I'm saying it's expert install, because we have the list, so we can skip that network installation media, network installation part, because of that I'm saying this. So select choose language, select English. So my country is India. Select next, select also this next. Configure the keyboard as English. So in this menu we have to skip one process, so that's why I'm waiting for. So it detected the installation media, then select enter, you don't need to select any of this, just continue guys. So here we go. Here we have to we don't have to select the configure the network. Also you can set the password, but at this time I'm skipping the password menu. So you have you need to deselect also the configure the clock. So just go to detect this part. In this menu, if it did not detect, so I will show you what you have to do. Sometimes it takes time, and if uh, it will not detect the your SSD or hard disk, so you just have to press control, then go to partition disk. So it will again ask you to detect disk, so enter it here. Here it's going to detect your SSD or hardware. So this is the solution for your problem. So it will take around for 5 to 10 minutes, so you just have to wait for it. I know how you guys wanted to do a dual boot, because there is no funny in VirtualBox or VMware to use it. There is you can't get your maximum hardware capabilities. So you also have 144 hertz display, so you will get benefits of it. So it will take time. Just, I have searched the solution for this problem on Reddit, also on Kali documentation, but I did not find anything related. I tried anything. I tried most of the steps that has given in Kali documentation, but it did not work for me. So I'm pausing the video here. So, so as you can see, the next screen is up here. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. So just wait. It will also depend on your hardware, also on your processing power. So just wait. I'm sure it will work 100%. So if it's not works, then let me know your problem in my comment box. I will try to give you solution. So as you can see, it is detected my SSD. So if you are doing dual boot, then you can use manual. If you just want to directly install, then you can guided, and then press continue. In manual, I have made a free partition for this. So my free partition was the 74 GB. This one. This one partition I have made for Kali. So currently I have installed the Kali dual boot by this process. So I am skipping this part. So after selecting this, then just install the base system, then configure your package manager, and so select an issue. In this part, you can select and install software if you want to use XSpace or the Genome edition. So you can select it here. So after that, install the grub bootloader. So never forget this to press yes, because if you are doing dual boot, it will create more the problem for you. You have to install it again, because if you don't install grub bootloader, the screen will not appear here, and you are just get logged in Kali. So the, you will not get access to Windows. So you always need to install a grub bootloader, then select continue without bootloader, and after what you will you know that what you have to do after the selecting this reboot, and here your problem is solved. So I'm just going to about the install, because I have already installed. So at this time, at the last, you will stuck at this point. So what you have to do, just press power button for 10 to 15 seconds, just to uh, power off, and After that, press the power on button and you will see. So press the power on. So and you will 100% see the Kali grub. So here you can choose the Windows boot manager or Kali GNU. So to use it. You know the fun of using Kali in hardware. So you, you can see the speed. You will not get this in VMware or VirtualBox. So here we have installed Kali alongside Windows. You can display the speed. So thanks for watching.